हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स। हेलो। आज हमारा टॉपिक है शोल्डर रीजन। तो शोल्डर रीजन में आपको स्टार्ट करना है डेल्टॉइड से। सो डेल्टॉइड, द ओरिजिन इज क्लेविकल एंड स्कैपुला, द इंसर्शन इज ह्यूमरस, डेल्टॉइड ट्यूबरसिटी, द नर्व सप्लाई is axillary nerve. This is the multipinnate muscle. This deltoid is the multipinnate muscle. What is the action? The action is abduction at shoulder joint. That is 15 degree to 19 degree. Abduction means away from the midline. Okay. Abduction at shoulder joint. तो ये तीन तरीके हैं, 0 to 15 degree, 15 to 90 degree and more than 90 degree. So 0 to 15 degree, this is the initiation of abduction that is done by supraspinatus muscle. Deltoid 15 to 19 degree, that is done by axillary nerve. Okay. And deltoid muscle, this is the axillary nerve. And more than 90 degree, that is overhead abduction. Okay, overhead abduction. And 90 to 180 degree by serratus anterior, it contains long thoracic nerve and trapezius, that is accessory nerve. Okay, accessory nerve. Now deltopectoral pectoral groove, और इसको हम बोलते हैं deltopectoral triangle. This is between deltoid and pectoralis muscle. The content is cephalic vein, and note, we have to note deltopectoral triangle between deltoid and pectoralis major and clavicle. Axillary nerve injury. What will happen if there is a nerve injury of axilla? So that is the cause is fracture of surgical neck of humerus. So there is a dislocation of shoulder joint. Dislocation of shoulder joint. And causes is paralysis of deltoid and teres minor, loss of abduction at shoulder joint, loss of rounded contour and of shoulder, and regimental bridge sensory loss. Regimental bridge sensory loss means due to involvement of upper and lateral cutaneous nerve of arm, which is a branch of axillary nerve. Now back muscles. Back muscle में तीन मसल important है, rhomboideus major muscle, rhomboideus minor muscle, levator scapulae. Rhomboideus major muscle and minor, this is for retraction of scapula, and levator elevate करने के लिए, this is elevation of scapula. First is trapezius muscle, contain spinal accessory nerve, that is cranial nerve number 11. It also supplies the sternocleidomastoid muscle. What is the action? Elevation of scapula, retraction of scapula, depression of scapula. If there is a cut and incision of the posterior triangle of the neck, it may leads to injury of spinal accessory nerve. So what will happen? Trapezius paralyzed. If trapezius paralyzed, so there is a loss of shrugging, very important, loss of shrugging, and shoulder drop of shoulder. Now latissimus dorsi or other muscle or called climber muscle. What? Climber muscle, very important. This is the clue. यहाँ पे कीवर्ड है climber muscle. This is dorsi, latissimus dorsi and other muscle are also called, these are climber muscle. Action is extension, adduction and medial rotation of the shoulder joint. Now next topic is triangle of auscultation. There is three triangles: trapezius, scapula and latissimus dorsi. Trapezius, latissimus dorsi and scapula. Now next topic is rotator cuff and और इसको बोलते हैं हम musculotendinous cuff. The mnemonic मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था, sits. Okay. So small t is the teres minor and this is the supraspinatus subscapular. Now तीन होती हैं, चार ऐसे हैं जैसे subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus and teres minor. रोटेटर कफ क्या होता है? इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डायनेमिक स्टेबलाइजर ऑफ द शोल्डर जॉइंट। मोस्ट कॉमन इंजर्ड जो होता है द मोस्ट कॉमनली इंजर्ड टेंडन ऑफ रोटेटर कफ इज सब स्कैपुलरिस, है ना, सब स्कैपुलरिस, no supraspinatus and subscapular, that is forgotten muscle of the rotator cuff. Sorry, this is supraspinatus, most common injured tendon of rotator cuff, supraspinatus। फिर से supraspinatus most common injured tendon of rotator cuff and subscapular, that is forgotten muscle of the rotator cuff। Supraspinatus most common injured tendon of rotator cuff and subscapular forgotten muscle of the rotator cuff। Okay. Next is arm, muscle of anterior compartment of arm। So इसका mnemonic है BBC, bicep brachii, brachialis and coracobrachialis nerve। Bicep brachii nerve supply is musculocutaneous and coracobrachialis this is nerve and action is flexion। Bicep brachii का muscular cutaneous nerve injury, if there is a loss of flexion and sensory loss at lateral aspect of the forearm, and what is the origin of this? This is scapula. Insertion is radial tuberosity, is help in flexion and supination. Now triceps, the origin is long head scapula, medial head, lateral head, this is from humerus. Insertion ulnar olecranon process, nerve supply, that is radial nerve, and action is extension. Now forearm.